Wiljon Mindoro ng Pilipinas versus Tyler Goodjan ng United Kingdom. Grabe, ang tindi ni Wiljon Mindoro. 3 beses tinabagsak ang kalaban sa loob lang ng 2 round. Tara't ating panoorin ang highlights ng laban na ito, mga idolo. At kung paano winasa ni Wiljon Mindoro ang British boxer. Round 2 technical knockout ito, mga idolo.
Big shot. Mindoro's having trouble getting to him. Good shot. Gonna hurt to the ring right now. Mindoro. Seeing off those big shots. Has been there in deep water. That's where's the toughness. The idea that Mindoro is able to cut him off the ring. Mindoro. John's a good shot. He cut the ring off a little bit. Might have put that 2012 Temple. And Jimmy said he's better. It's a jam from the UK. And instead, Goodjan not only hasn't gone away, he's got all these knockout wins. He might be the kind of guy who also slick upper body move from Goodjan. Then Intimidator failed to intimidate. Good shot from Mindoro. Should have took his time with that. Let's see. Goodjan getting into a firefight. Punch with a puncher like Mindoro. Not a good idea for Goodjan. Body shots too. The holding time. Paulie, you said it. Should have held. Should have just waited for the bell.
Ayan, tinigil na po ng laban ng referee. Panalo po ang ating kababayan by round 2 technical knockout.